Hello, teachers. Good afternoon. I am Misbah Ali, and today I'm here to demonstrate how you can use Canva, how you can make worksheets using Canva application on your mobile phone. All you need to do is download Canva app from Play Store and create a free account on Canva. So here it is. This is the Canva icon on my screen. Once you click and open it, you will come on the home page automatically. If you're using it for the first time, it is going to ask you to create an account. It's a free account. You don't need to go for a paid one. Worksheets and everything on Canva can be designed using a free version also. So you can go for a free version. Now, this is specially for creating worksheets. So what will you design? Look at this panel. When you move it, you get different layouts here. So all you have to do is you have to go to the worksheets templates. When you click on this, all the different worksheets, all the different readily available worksheet templates are right on my screen now. So if I like something from here, I can pick from here. There are alphabet worksheets, there are number worksheets, there are science worksheets. Okay, so you have to be in templates. This is your designs. If you go to your designs, whatever you have designed is going to open up. So I'll remain in the templates tab right here. Now let's open a worksheet that we'd like to design. So here is a coloring worksheet. Let's see what we can do with this worksheet. So if, for example, if you want to give a coloring assignment to your students, all you need to do is just click open this. Now the colors are already given here, what color they need to fill in this cupcake. Now, in case if I don't want to give a cupcake, I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to delete it. I can edit the titles. When I click on this, I get editing option right here below. So I'm going to just edit the title. Color all the birds. Okay, color all the birds is the title. Now I want to add pictures here of different birds. So how am I going to add pictures? Here you have a plus sign given in the corner, purple color. Just click on that. And as I told you during the session also, you have to go to elements. Elements is where you get all your pictures. So I'm right here in elements. In the search bar, I'm going to